Hey everyone, this will be another video for my ramen series. I compiled a list of ramen making guides in a playlist on my channel if you would like to take a look, but today we'll be making some Ajitama or ramen eggs, as people like to call it. It's a pretty simple method and it just takes a little bit of time, so let's get right on to it. First things first is get a pot of water boiling. Once it starts boiling like this, I take my egg and I use this egg device my mom got from Japan. It basically just pushes the thin needle through the egg when you press the egg on it, which will help with the peeling process later. Look right here. Boom. I use a spoon to place my eggs in the boiling water to avoid cracking it, and here I'll set a timer for 7 minutes. 7 minutes will give you a jello-like consistency for your egg yolks, but feel free to adjust to your liking. Once the timer goes off, you want to shock your eggs in an ice bath. The cold water will basically rush through the small hole you poke, and it will help separate from the membrane. As stated before, this will help the peeling process a lot easier. You can only imagine if you're peeling like 100 eggs every day at a ramen shop, but for 2 it's not that bad. Here's some footage of me peeling an egg. I'm sure I don't really need to teach you guys how to do this, right? Once peeled, I like to run it under a little bit of cold water to make sure all the shells are off of it. Now we're going to place our eggs into a Ziploc bag. This is where we will marinate our eggs. We will use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of water. Seal up the Ziploc bag and give it a good mix. I like to place it in a bowl in case anything spills, and then we're going to stick it in our fridge overnight. If your Ziploc bags are bigger or the marinade doesn't cover most of the eggs, feel free to add more soy sauce, mirin, and water to submerge the eggs in the mixture. Also, depending on how long you're marinating eggs, it can be a little bit too salty, so adjust the water levels accordingly. Here are my eggs the next day, and you can see how the marinade gave it that nice color. Also, you can always just adjust the marinade ratio for more eggs, since in this video I only made 2. The Ajitama is a great ramen topping and it just requires some patience and advanced timing, but oh, I think it's worth it if you decide to make it. Oh boy, that second egg I peeled terribly, by the way. There you go! This is a quick and simple video on how to make Ajitamas. I hope everyone's been enjoying these small videos on different ways you can improve or even learn how to make ramen. One of these days when I have more time, I'll actually release a video on how to make the whole thing, so we'll see. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Weekend Cooks. Take it easy everyone.